This is example 6. Okay. On page 356, example 6, x squared minus 2xy minus 48y squared. Okay. On page 356. Now look a bit different from what you saw so far. Okay. So far you only see one variable. This time it has two. All right. What do? When you see something like this, okay, you can literally factor something with x here, something with x here, something with y here, and y here. When you have x squared on one side and y squared on the other side, and x squared in between, you can write a simple factor form as x something here, you're going to fill in the blank, okay, y, time x something here, you're going to fill in the blank y, okay. So there are two x squared, that's why xx, it's y squared, that means there are two y's, that's why y. Alright, same procedure from here. This 48 right here, you can treat that as c, which is negative 48, okay. So c is negative 48. And remember, you want to factor the c, and hopefully the sum of the factor from c will give you a sum of b. What is b? B in this case is negative 2. Okay? Very similar to the previous example. Just look a little bit different, okay? So let's start with factorial 48. Negative 48. Negative 1, 48. Negative 2, 2, 4, right? 2 times 24 is 48, and with the sign negative 48. How about 3? Negative 3, you get 1, you get 6, right? 3 times 6, 18. 1, 3 times 1 is 3. Yeah, 48. How about 4? Let's see, 48. 4, 1, 0, 2, 0, so 12. How about 5? No. 6? Yes. 7? No. 8? We already include 8 here. 9? No. That's all you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types. Okay, 5 form of factorings. Alright, so now you know that if c is negative, that means the factors here you have, okay, the pair of factors you have will have opposite side. It could be positive 1, negative 48. I did put one form here, but it could be the other way around. Same thing here. Could be 2, negative 24. Could be 3, negative 16. Could be 4, negative 12. Could be 6, negative 8, okay? When c is negative, that means factors you obtain will have opposite sides. Okay, let's see which one, when you add, will give you a sum of b. And b is negative 2, okay? Negative 1 plus 48. Negative 1 plus 48 is 47, or the opposite, you have 1, subtract 48, one is positive, the other one is negative, you have negative 47, which is not b, okay? How about this case? Not going to happen, right? You know that when you take the sum of 2 and 24, negative 2 and 24, or 2 and negative 24, you know that's not going to happen, so you know that's not going to happen. So I'm not going to write it, okay? You can cross that out if you want, okay? So I know it's, and you can say no, so you can skip that. You don't have to show the word. You know that the sum of b not going to give you a b. How about this case? Maybe, right? How about negative 3 plus 16? You'd get 13. It's not. Look like not going to happen as well, okay? I would say no. How about here? I would say no as well. It's not going to happen. Okay. How about here? Negative 6 plus 8 is 2. Okay. It's close. 2, but it's positive, so not yet. How about the other? When psi is positive, this is negative. 6 subtract 8 is negative 2. Guess what? Negative 2 here, the sum of factors 6 and negative a would give you a b equal to negative 2. So the correct one is positive 6 and negative a, okay? The correct one. So let me fix this to make it the correct one. So the correct one is 6 and negative 8 would give you a sum of negative 2. So if you take the sum of 6 and negative 8 would give you the value b, which is negative 2. Alright, you all there. Alright. So you would have plus, parenthesis, you put the factor in, which is 6 and negative a. Simplify, you get x plus 6y times x minus ay. Okay, so this is how you factor trinomial in the form. To be careful when you see x squared, y squared, and x y in between, then you know that both parentheses would have xy, xy. Okay, your job to fill in what side you're going to have and what coefficient here, what side and what coefficient. We can verify and check the answer to see if it's correct. Okay, x squared. This checks. Okay, x squared. This time this is negative axy. Okay, plus 6xy, right? 6y times x is 6xy. 6y times negative 8y is negative 48y squared. Okay, you can simplify further. X squared negative axy plus 6xy is negative 2xy. So we just check the answer, and this actually gave you a correct answer. X squared minus 2xy minus 48y squared. Yes, this is the answer we just checked. The correct answer is this.